My name is Mayela Andrea Correor Herrera. My code is 3012817. I study in Licenciatura en Educación Básica Primaria, Seccional Duitama. The most important day of the year for me fun and me is Christmas. Every December 24, we plan a big party. Mahuil, in the morning, we start with the traditional breakfast. That is it, tamal and this chocolate, this cheese, this bread. And throughout the day what we prepare as night is organized. There are many details to organize that they will all street to work together. My mother always works on the menu preparing the chocolate pig. Just like that, a hurry day for even the day before, she also goes to the mall and it books everything for Christmas. Additional in this afternoon, the mother, I was preparing the chocolate speak. And we continue preparing and organizing for this evening meal. We'd also like to have fritters, custard, wine, and turkey as sharing with the world fun. As me fire the stockings card or the decorations and books everything in the buckets with its own display for the special night. Also our team, it put the lights, the chairs and the towel for my family and goods. Additional my brothers and white collaborators while my mother with what is necessary. As my father likes that he likes to thank his granddaughter who don't organize. El Christmas tree we made the fun to celebrate this importance. That's because additional for at the family it is a very special day. Man will start with me fun and organize ourselves on how to start here. Therefore, we dance, laugh, rejoice, and celebrate this big day. We are as waiting for the good night. While light shore on family, as we also share with Howell. His clothes spectacular Christmas